Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone 16 and going straight into settings to save time. Once there, tap display and brightness so you can reach the controls you need. Make sure low power mode is off because that can lock brightness behavior. Turn it off in battery if active. You do this now to prevent conflicts. After confirming low power mode is disabled, locate the brightness slider and auto brightness option visible on the screen for the next step. You now enable auto brightness so the phone adjusts screen intensity automatically. If you don't see the toggle in display and brightness, go to accessibility display and text size and find auto brightness there. Toggle it on. This engages the ambient light sensor to change brightness with surroundings. Then return to display and brightness and set the slider to a comfortable baseline. This tells the system your preferred default. Once set, the phone adapts from that. Finish by testing auto brightness in both bright outdoor light and a dim room to confirm it responds correctly. Watch the slider move as light changes. If it does not, restart your iPhone first, and if that fails, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigurations. Also make sure no case or screen protector covers the front sensor. If problems persist, contact Apple support for sensor diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.